If you're looking to buy a house in Cape Coral, Florida, and you're like, listen, I've been on your channel and I see homes and they're all below 500. I want to see something closer to $1 million, something on the water, something with a deck. This house I'm standing in, I'm going to take you on the tour. I'm going to show you this property, how amazing it is, how beautiful this place is. And guess what? My client buying this property, fully furnished, and it's amazing. So let's dive in this video. Let me show you this property. This property is hands down amazing. It is beautiful, it is modern, and on top of that, it sits on the water. Let's go, come on. Before we start the videos, I always like to introduce myself. My name is Alek Petrov. I'm one of the local real estate agents here in Southwest Florida. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, or you're about to buy a property here or a lot, whatever you have, give me a shout out, give me a call, give me as well, send me an email. It's in my description as well. Go check it out on my website. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you got. And guess what? I don't charge a dime to answer questions in regards to real estate. Right, but then we go for dinner. Different. And I'm joking, guys. Let's look at this property exactly here. That's located in Cape Coral, Florida. It's located more in, I would say, mid-south, southwest, you can say. That's the location. So let me show you this beautiful home. That way you see it for yourself. All right, guys, this is the street. As you can see, beautiful street. And my truck, Chevy guy. I'm a Chevy guy. Comment below if you're a Chevy guy. So bingo, here's the beautiful house, guys. Very modern, 3-car garage. And shout out to Nadia Brunner. She is the listing agent on this property. She said, hey, go check it out, do the video for this one. So guys, I got some more other properties for her as well. I'll be posting my video. So if you're gonna like this property right here, you're like, hey, I want a same thing, maybe not this exact property, but they have more similar properties for sale that you can help me out. So you know me, if you watch my other videos, your septic clean out, not septic tank, well, sewer clean out. You have a city sewer right there, the clean out. All right, let's go in. Nice tall doors. All right. And we kind of at the same time, we'll talk about the pros and cons about this property. It's a sunny side, so this door gets beat up a lot, so you're gonna have to paint the door very often to keep that beautiful color of that door so it's nice and clean. Oh, look at this beautiful ceilings. Man, they're nice and high ceilings. Look at that wall. Just imagine if you just build out like a fireplace out there, right? Like free floating shelves there, a couple cabinets. Man, it's gonna be, it will look amazing. But that is beautiful as well. And the deer is amazing. Look at this beautiful kitchen, guys. Waterfall island. Actually have space that you can put your feet there as well without hitting your knees. Bam. And you got your outlet. Sweet. So that way you don't have to put the outlet here. So now you have an outlet right there. That's pretty cool too as well. Bam, now you can see what's inside and it's empty. But guess what? All this stuff that you see in the kitchen, it stays, like for real. Everything is full. Look at this. All the glasses, everything is here in this house. It's single sink, right? Disposable, you have it. Dishwasher, everything is soft closed. Very modern look, guys. Yes, it does not have a pantry, but you do have this is your pantry.
Hello there.
They put some stuff there like fry pans and things like that. You do have extra cabinets here if you want to store some food there. You have the laundry machines, they lift it up higher. That way you don't have to bend over, put your stuff there. Super cool, super convenient. Again, look at those doors, man. They're nice and tall, square casing, right? Look at this beautiful corner, guys. This beautiful corner, just imagine yourself sitting in this chair, enjoying a nice cup of coffee early in the morning. Nice. Listen to the birds singing, right? This is stone. And just you stare outside there at the beautiful water. Impact windows, guys, impact doors. Look at this beauty. Ay, ay, ay. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think about these lights. Would you put something like this in your house or not? First time when I stepped in here, I thought it was Michael Jackson. But nope, I was wrong. You have the magic room, guys. I always call it magic room. Why? Because it's a master bedroom. It's a magic room, right? It's nice, huge, spacious. You have your own door to go outside to the patio. Nice, pretty spacious. You have a barn door, guys. Check it out. Nice barn door that you can open, close, and they're white as you walk through it. And you know me, I always say, here's a closet for her, and here's a closet half for him. No, actually this one's bigger, so this has to be hers closet for sure. It's huge. This house was served as a VRBO or B&B, guys, short rentals. But this is it right here, guys, boys and girls. Boom, look at that. Look at the double vanity. Look at the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What? Soft clothes as well. Look at this jacuzzi for me and obviously your wife. Bingo, nice walk-in shower, guys. This is huge. I mean, you can sit here, relax. If your wife kicks you out, you can go to sleep here. No, I'm joking.
You sure about that?
All right, 3 valves, pretty nice, pretty tall. You have this beautiful shower head 1, shower head 2, and shower head 3. This waterfall just drops on you after you've been outside. It was so hot and sweaty, just coming in, just drop that. Look at that, beautiful. Oh, another cool thing about it, guys, look at that. Boom. Bodega. Look like you just, somebody sits here and then somebody sits there. No, I'm joking, guys. But yeah, there you go, bingo. You have that as well. Pretty cool, pretty amazing, guys. Let's go. Okay, so if you make it back out here to your living room, see, it's kind of cool because if you have guests over, they'll be sitting here and all the noise here with a TV, right? And you way back out there, your master bedroom is way out there, way away from all the noise, away from all the guests. And if you come here with the kids, if you move here with the kids or your friends, you send them all the way here in the back. So this property is pretty cool for VRBO or Airbnb. Everything you need, right? Oh, you have an office. If you gotta work, if you're on vacation, boom, it's beautiful. Or you can turn this into a kid's room. If you have kids like me, myself, I got 4 of them now. If you watch my other videos, I had 3, now I have 4. Baby Tony James came into this world and we are happy. So you have your linen closet here. Guys, check it out. Actually, it's not a metal, it's all wood, guys. All the shelves are wood, so it's amazing. But you have a bathroom here, boom. Check it out. Nice. Look at beautiful work. You're done and boom. You can jump up and say hi to a neighbor if you want to. There you go. Free floater, we call them, right? Hey, that's me there. What's up, guys? What's up? Let's go. Let's go to this room. Master, you can say this master suite or second master, gas master. I guess gas master will fit the better name for it. Again, through the whole house, high ceiling, nice fans, beautiful fans. You have these shades that just go up and down, right? Look at this beautiful space, and the furniture matches to the whole house. We can do everything. Let's go. And you have a red, beautiful chair here, guys. Come on, comment below. What do you think about this red, beautiful chair? You want it? Let me know. Okay, sweet. We come in here, me again. Look at this. Boom. Again, beautiful shower. High ceilings, right? Nice tile touch, guys. This is whoever was building this property, they knew what they were doing it because this is a shower bathroom, guys. As you know, if you watch my other videos, we're always talk about if you have a pool in Cape Coral, whatever area you're buying a house, if you have a pool, you gotta have a bathroom shower. Why? Because you have kids, you have guests. You don't want to go pee in the pool. You want to go pee in the bathroom, right? Or not in a neighbor yard. And they have this. Look at this. You can't even slide on this thing because it has a grip on it. So if the kids come in, they're not gonna fall down on the tile. But again, it is beautiful, guys. Look at that, free floating as well. And you have towels. So they open up a door, they get the towels right away and they can dry out and bingo. Loving it, loving it. What do you guys think? Comment below what do you guys think about this property exactly. Would you live in this property? And if you want to know the price of this property, shoot me a text. I'll let you know exactly what this property was listed for. And after closing, I can tell you what this property is sold for. So anyway, let's go. Let's step outside. These beautiful, huge doors, guys. Huge doors, and they're heavy because they're impact doors. Look at that, how big they are. You have a fan as well. You have that bathroom right there, what we talked about, shower bathroom. Look at this pool, guys. Infinity pool, beautiful. They're just done cleaning. Basically, they just completely cleaned out this whole pool, made this beautiful, get all the dirt off of it because we were closing here in a couple of weeks. But anyway, so you have this window, you have this huge lanai here in the back. You can set up. If you really want it, put like a cover there and build your kitchen outside here. Or if you really want it, open this up more, build it like a beam and put a outside kitchen out here. The neighbors, they just have it, they come out here, chill at night, beautiful, just enjoying it, right? All is missing right now is just the dock with the lift, like that boat right there. You put a dock with the lift here, man, you are amazing. So, and the pavers. Oh yeah, again, pavers, you gotta have a pavers. so you don't have to walk in the rain and all this grass. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about this property. Definitely pretty cool property. So let's go inside because it's getting hot and getting sweaty. You probably too as well if you're watching or if you live here in Florida. You know how hot it is right now during summertime. Oh yeah, hold on a second. Let me show you guys garage. I haven't shown you guys garage, huh? Didn't I? The beautiful sun. Bam, bam, bam. Again, through the whole house, you have a high doors, guys. Very tall doors. Boom, bang, look at that. Painted floor. What? Nice painted floor. You have an outside door to go outside. You can put your garbage cans outside so you don't have to smell them inside the house. Yes, that is impact garage doors as well. You have your air handler that's here in garage. Oh, you got mini fridge. What's in there? Let's go find out. Oh, yeah, let's close it. Okay, propane tanks. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's a lot better, a lot better. All right, guys, let me flip this camera around. So guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments about this specific home. And if you're looking to buy a property to rent it out, VRBO or Airbnb, short rental, long-term rentals, whatever your heart desires, let me know. I'll be more than happy to guide you through the process, to show you which property will make more money. And I do have connections with people that do rent out the properties and they will manage everything for you from A to Z. But if you're looking to buy a property, not for rent, but for yourself, and you like something like this, there's multiple properties that just like this on the market, and I know where to find them. So give me a call. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you got. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, man. I would really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, because that will help my algorithm. It will help my YouTube channel to grow. And I want more people to see what it's like in Southwest Florida, what it's like in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Lehigh, and all the cities around here. So guys, thank you so much for staying till the end. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And don't forget, if you have questions, you know my number, 239-295-0275. You know, every time I say this on the video, I feel like on those commercials when they're like, hey, give me a call. My number is 239 da 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 da. Anyway, enough of me. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.